I'm thinking of slightly arching or vaulting the ceiling. Does that make a difference in price or appearance? Well, the appearances are going to be the same. It's going to look awesome no matter what, and it really does. If you have an arching ceiling, it's going to look, I don't know if you really notice a whole lot more. If you have a tray ceiling, it comes down and then like this, or vertical versus a vault. I think once the lights are out, you're not going to notice either one. It'll look awesome either way. You'll notice it in the daytime, and that's the only thing. If it costs more, it goes by the square foot. So if it adds a little bit, it's not going to be a whole lot more, but the benefit's going to be cool. You have a larger sky. It's just going to be a very nice mural, and it's not going to cost really a whole lot more.